Richard says I look like a goat in this helmet. I would like to have responses down on the video.
Comment portion of the video.
Comment portion. Do I look like a goat in this helmet?
Okay, getting ready to head over to Foreman Harley Davidson to pick up Brenda's Iron 1200, where they have been installing a set of leather wrapped hard bags. So we're trying to get out the door here because it's supposed to be hot today. So that's where we're going. Check back with you in a minute. All right, I think we're ready. You got your keys?
I do.
In case they lose the other ones?
Correct.
And what are we doing now? Why are we going to Stillwater?
We're going to get that iron baby with her new bags and her cute rack on the back that they finally were able to find. Was it Texas?
Yeah, I think it came from somewhere.
Yeah.
Dallas, Fort Worth area or something.
We're going to go get my baby.
Okay. Where are my gloves?
Behind you. Okay, I'm going to be on the street.
All right, I'm coming around.
Locked up?
I don't know, go check. I think I locked the door when I went out. Yeah, I locked it. I locked it. I may have to go get gas.
I'm worried about the keys.
I think we're going to be okay. I still have to get gas. Yeah, ready. Okay, I'm gonna go get gas first because I don't have enough gas. I'm nearly on empty. I like your bike.
He's got to put his earpiece in.
Yeah, without my hearing.
Oh.
Yeah, I thought maybe you had them. I thought maybe
Hello.
you had
Earplugs.
earplugs. I thought maybe you had earplugs in because of the
Oh.
noise.
No, I got this cochlear implant on this side and an old-fashioned hearing aid on this side. So I know you're taking this.
Yeah. We were just saying, I like your bike because it's like the twin of this one.
What's yours?
Mine's the same thing. It's a Road King Classic.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
It's the best.
It's a. Oh, okay.
It's the same bike, basically.
Same one.
Yeah.
Mine's a 2005.
Mine's an 09.
09?
09, yeah.
It's a beauty.
Yeah.
We're gonna go pick mine up.
See, I can't keep up with normal speed of speech. That's what these things do to me. Even normal rate of speech, I can't keep up.
We're going to pick up my bike.
Nice.
Yeah.
What are you going to ride?
I have an iron 1200, and it was getting bags put on it.
Oh.
So we're gonna go get my bike.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm on my way to visit Tulsa, a high school friend.
Oh.
I started in Indiana. My daughter just moved out to Salt Lake with her family, so I went out there. Now I'm working my way back east.
Good.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's
We're going to Stillwater. Are you going through Stillwater and across, or are you going to go out, straight out?
You're gonna go straight out on the toll.
On the toll road?
Oh, you mean to Tulsa?
Tulsa,
You're gonna
yeah.
go straight out on the toll, aren't you?
That's what I was figuring.
That's
Let's
a
see.
good stretch. That's a good, safe stretch, isn't it, Richard?
Yep. There's Tulsa.
So you're just gonna go zink.
But there is a toll involved, huh?
So we're
Yes.
right here.
Yep.
So if you go this way, that's a toll road.
Yeah.
But it's a nice stretch of road.
Yeah. See,
Safe.
we're going down here to Stillwater.
Stillwater. You said, what did you say about the toll road?
It's a nice, safe stretch.
Yeah, I figure it's a bother, you know, having to stop and dig in your pockets for toll, but it's the quickest way, and
Yep. Yep.
that's that.
Easy.
Okay, well,
Have a safe trip.
you too, and enjoy your motorcycle.
Yeah.
I can't get my wife to, she'll ride on the back, short distance. She doesn't want one of her own.
I'm ready. I want to get my bike back.
I have one more question. I'm nearing 70, and I've noticed now on long rides, after about an hour, get a needle-like pain in my neck.
Yeah. I get the same thing.
What do you do for it?
I just try to keep my head moving around.
Does it work?
Yeah, it helps.
Maybe chiropractor.
Yeah,
Well,
chiropractor.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I'm a little skeptical of the
I get pain in my shoulders
Yeah.
too. Yeah.
Just on my left side.
Yeah, mine too on the left side.
Yeah. And it's only when I ride, like right now. Don't feel
No,
anything.
exactly.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Strange. I
Do
wonder if
you
it's-
have cruise control on your bike?
I do.
Yeah.
Yep. I've tried changing my posture. Keeping my chin up, I thought might help.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the vibrations. I don't know.
I think it's just staying in that position for a long time.
That could be true.
You just get stiff. So I just do a lot of
I
movement.
haven't-
It sounds like a biker thing.
Yeah.
What I've been doing is about every 50 or 60, I'll get off, and
Yeah.
Yeah. we
and
do
that
the same.
seems to help a little.
Yeah. Well, have a safe trip.
You too. Oh, this is your GoPro. Huh?
Yeah. Oh, I've got my GoPro's still going. Do you mind? I've got a YouTube channel. So
Do you mind?
do you mind
that
if I
you are
Wait, one at a
videotaped?
time.
Okay, you go.
So I have a YouTube channel, so I make YouTube videos. I do travel logs on my motorcycle. Do you mind if I include you in my video?
Not at all.
Okay, yeah.
In fact, let me make a note of your YouTube channel, and
Yeah.
I'll watch it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's called Dry.
Dry like wet dry?
Yep, Dry. Line, L-I-N-E. Drifter.
Darn, what's going on here? Dry
Line. Drifter.
Drifter, all one word.
No, they're three words.
Oh, okay.
Three words. Dry, line, drifter.
On YouTube. Well,
On
that should be
YouTube.
pretty easy.
Yeah.
You'll see yourself.
I might see myself, that's
Yeah.
right.
You'll be a star.
What is your name?
Dave,
Dave. Nice to meet you, Dave. I'm Richard
Richard,
and Brenda.
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 Yeah.
That's the other thing about this implant, is you can't do what they call passive hearing. I have to be looking right at the person and concentrate. Like if my wife's over here talking to me, sometimes.
Well, be safe.
I will. You
Yeah,
too.
be safe.
Okay.
Yeah, it was nice,
Okay.
nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, I'm glad you're a writer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, see you later. I may have to switch out my my little data card when we get there. Well, that'll be fun.
What's nice about that is that the gentleman has issues that we all have that other riders can relate to.
Yeah. Okay,
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready. All right, you on?
I'm on.
Here we go. I'll let him go. Okay, we just arrived here at Foreman Harley Davidson in Stillwater to pick up Brenda's bike. Ready to go in here. Oops, let me get my keys out of my bike first. Don't want to leave my keys in there. Phew. Hello.
Keep her alive. That's, you know, that's
What you doing?
I was looking to see if they have any cute shoes that I might want. I'd like to get you something nice for your birthday. You want to look around and see if there's something nice?
You want to get your bike thing taken care of first?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna shut this down. You mind if I video you bringing it around?
Oh, I don't mind. Oh.
Is this your workshop space here?
Yeah, that's where we keep all the bicycles.
Cool. You got all kinds of cool stuff in here.
Yeah. Is there a certain spot up front that we can put her at?
There's a big white Road King Classic up near your front door. If you want to just park it up there, because my wife's going to ride it back, and I'm going to ride the Road King.
All right.
Yeah, if you don't mind. Thank you.
Welcome. Then I did put the keys to your saddlebags on the keychain right
Okay,
here.
awesome. Did you put the bags on?
Yes, sir.
Oh, awesome. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
What's your name?
Brandon.
Brandon.
Yeah, there's two West Brandon, so.
That's right. There's another Brandon that he was the one that did the walkthrough on the bike for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I'll pour up there for about
Have you
that.
put any bags like this on any of these Sportsters before?
This is the first time I put bags on a Sportster.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of like a little mini, mini touring bike now.
Yeah.
There she goes. Got her new saddlebags all set up. So Brenda's got some place to put her purse and other items. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go around here and get finished up. Talk to you guys later. Okay, we're leaving the store.